So sometimes you may just go ahead and remove out photos and then you may want to restore it back. If you want to go ahead and restore removed photos, then you can go around and then on the left hand side, you can see that trash is an option. Once you go around over here, whatever photos or videos that you may have, you can actually go ahead and click on it right here and then restore it out. You can delete them permanently or restore it out right here. Go ahead and click on restore and those two items will be sent back onto your main photos section and they will be recovered. So let's say, for example, if I were to go around onto albums right here, let me just go around over here and you can see that I got these collections right here. I just restored it so I could see it. Let me just go ahead right here and delete all of them. So I'm just going to go ahead and say move to trash. Let's say, for example, then all of them are removed. But now I can actually go around onto the trash section, and here what I can do is I can go ahead and select out the images right here, just like this, and then if I were to click on restore, then over here in that particular album you will be able to see those photos back. So that is how you can restore out removed photos inside of Google Photos. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.